Okay, another way that we can actually create a bridge, we said there are three ways. You use solder to join the connections going down. Two, we can use wires that we can add to each individual LED and then solder those wires to each connection. Or the third way is we can actually use the leads. So what we do is we move one lead up, then take the next lead and lay it over, right? And then the third lead over that one. So then you see that all three leads are actually touching. Then you come back with a soldering iron, okay, and solder those connections together. So at that point, you've actually soldered everything together. Then you come by with the, here it is from the side view. See how the red LED, let's see, the green LED is connected to the yellow, then the yellow is connected to the red up here, and now you come back with the, with your snips, or snappy, and then you cut off this lead, and now you have one entire lead that you can connect a cable to or a wire, and then you can connect that to positive and negative. Okay, so again, we push the leads forward and we lay them on top of each other, okay, nice and even. And then what you do is you place a dot of solder here in between the green and the yellow LED, and then finally the red. And now you have created a simple parallel circuit. Using a snipper, you can actually cut the ends to make it nice and neat. And that's about it. Thank you.